Here's why Google Pixel 7a could be the budget smartphone of the year. Now the biggest reason is the camera. Google's A series mostly offers the flagship Pixel experience at a lower price tag. This year, Google stepped it up a little more. There's a 64 megapixel main sensor instead of the 12 megapixel we have been accustomed to seeing. Though larger in megapixel count, this is a smaller sensor than the Pixel 7, but still this is a good step forward. The photos taken on this phone have that pixel contrasty punch. The versatility of an ultrawide, a main, and 2x crop zoom are great to have. The photos have great dynamic range, color accuracy, and image sharpness. In fact, the ultrawide here is more ultrawide than the Pixel 7 series. This camera, hands down, will easily destroy any other mid-range smartphone at a similar price tag. The selfie camera can also take decent shots. Honestly, I can't wait for this phone to win MKBHD's Blind Camera Smartphone of the Year award. Now the other quite big reason is the software. Once again, you get the Pixel experience for a lower price. 3 years of day one software updates are great and once again cannot be rivaled by another Android manufacturer. This ensures the Pixel 7a will get Android 14, 15 and 16, while other mid-range phones from this year might remain stuck at Android 13 or get Android 14 at the best. The software is complemented by the responsiveness of this phone. It features the Tensor G2 chip along with 8GB of RAM. Now it did beat the iPhone 14 Pro Max in a speed test, but I hope it can do half as good in 2 years. Judging by the way my Pixel 6 is holding up, I think we should be good. And I should also be good if you guys subscribe to the channel. Another reason for this responsiveness and the budget smartphone award is the 90Hz display. Though phones at a lower price point offer this feature too, but pairing the Pixel camera and software experience with the smoothness of this display is a game changer for this budget phone. Yes, the bezels are thick, but it's 2023. Can we please stop discussing about things that don't really matter? What matters is that this color is flaming hot. It is such an eye-catching color. I hope Google does more of these colors with the Pixel 8 series. This doesn't look like a budget phone at all. In fact, it looks like a limited edition Pixel 7 color. Let's also quickly discuss the battery life on this phone. It is good. Easily got me 4 to 5 hours of screen on time, which is good for a full day. If you have more than 5 hours of screen on time, it's time you dialed back on using a phone. The charging speeds are ridiculously slow for 2023 standards, so I'm not even gonna bother mentioning them. Other than that, speakers on this phone are good, haptics are good, calls are good, and all other basic functions of a phone work good. And all these features come in at a price of just $500 US. Now this is more than the Pixel 6a, but you know what? This phone offers much more than the Pixel 6a. So as long as Google can offer Pixel camera and software experience at an affordable price tag, the A series phones will continue to be the best budget smartphones around.